Spanish. Okay. Ooh, Barca. Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know why this channel is turning out to be a gaming channel, but I think I don't have any other ideas, but never mind. So today we are going to open few packs in PES. I hope you guys will enjoy it. So I hope I hope I get Messi or Ronaldo. That would be amazing. So I mean, let's start. Let's see. First black ball. Ooh, Italy. Okay. Oh wait, is it Inter Milan 24? Oh god, Eriksen. I got Eriksen. I think I got Eriksen. Yeah. Okay, it's not bad. All right, I'll take him. Next, let's see. I just hope I get Ronaldo. Spanish, no problem. Wait. Number 5 is from Madrid, I think. Varane. All right. A nice centre back. I'll take him. Varane, not bad. Next. We have 4 more balls, guys. I just hope I get Mr. Ronaldo. Please. Ooh. Is he a free agent? Bayern 27. Gnabry. Who is this guy? Alaba. Okay, I don't know him. Okay, but all right, never mind. I'll take him. No problem. Next, we have 3 more. Just hope I get it. All right. English. Okay, English Premier League. Liverpool. Oh god. Liverpool number 11. I got Mo Salah. Oh god. All right, no problem. 89. Okay. Cool. 2 more left. Okay. Still, we have hopes. 2 more. Italy, not again. Ooh. Number 10. Lazio. Who is this guy? I have no idea who is this guy. Look, I have no idea who is this guy. Alright, no problem. Let's move on. Only one left. Please. Spanish. Okay. Ooh, Barca. No. Oh god, number 21. Oh god. Who is this 21? Some shit. De Jong. Oh god, De Jong. Okay, De Jong is not that bad, but I'll take that. Oh god, whoa. Guys, we are done with black balls. We have only gold ball now. I just hope some good player, please. Italy. Ooh, 95. I know him. 90. Milan, I think. Atlanta. No, I don't. I seriously have no idea who is this guy. All right, so we are done with this thing. So let's move on to my favorite club. All right, I hope I get Bruno Fernandes. Please, God, please. English. United number 23. Easy, Luke Shaw. Yes, I got Luke Shaw. Okay, I'll take him. He's the best left back. Okay, not bad. Cool. I'm happy. One more United. I need Bruno Fernandes, please. Please, 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 English. Oh, you know, number 39. Who is number 39? McTominay? Yeah, McTominay. I mean, alright, not bad, but I really wish I could take him. I wanted Bruno. You know what? We'll go again. Let's go again. Please, 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 I need United. I need Bruno. I need Bruno. I need Bruno, please. English. Oh, not again. Yeah, you are kidding me. You are kidding me. Not again. Oh god. Oh god. I just wasted my new points. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. He's a stinker, bro. He's a stinker. Not again. Alright, so next, let's move on and take it from worldwide. We'll take it from worldwide. No, wait. Worldwide or Madrid? Oh, well, we'll take it from worldwide. We'll take it from worldwide. So this is my last chance, guys. This is my last chance. Spanish. Oh, Madrid, I think. No, not Madrid. 16, number 16, Sevilla. Who is this guy? Navas. Wait, it's not that Navas. Okay, right back, Navas, Sevilla. All right, 90 is not bad. 90 is not bad. All right. So let's see if we get any coin.
2,000 years later.
I think I can take one more pack. So let's try. I'll go with worldwide. I'll go with worldwide. Okay. Who's from Italy? Okay, Italian league. Oh, it's a stinker. This guy is from what? Oh, Fiorentina. Oh god. Fiorentina. No. Vlahovic. Okay. Croatia. I never heard his name, but alright, no problem. Also, let's see if we have any other chance. Squad management. Go back. Auto pick. Continue. Okay. Continue. Alright guys, that's it.